Hello friends, I'm Shreya. I will make another new beautiful design through video. In the beginning of the video, I want to tell you that this new year will be the best new year of your life. I wish you can reach the peak of your life. Happy New Year from DiyArtiePie to everyone. Enjoy this whole year. Let's come to the video. In the beginning of the video, I first took fortune pieces 2mm beads, green color small size 2mm beads. One request friends, please watch the video till the end. I hope you like this design. First we are making a flower for the necklace. Then I took 8 pieces 2mm beads, then 5mm pearls. Again take 8 pieces 2mm beads. Then take 8mm pearls of green color and 10mm pearls of white color. Then take 6 pieces 2mm beads, then 5mm pearls. Again take 3 pieces 2mm beads. Then take green color 1 8mm pearls and white color 1 10mm pearls. In the same way, then take 6 pieces 2mm beads, then 5mm pearls. Again take 3 pieces 2mm beads. Then take green color 1 8mm pearls and white color 1 10mm pearls. Then took 3 pieces 2mm beads, then 5mm pearls. Again took 3 pieces 2mm beads. Then took green color 8mm pearls and white color 10mm pearls. For the middle part of the flower, we will use a fortune size white pearl. Now our flower is ready to be made. If you want, you can use this flower as a hand bracelet or a necklace. To make a necklace, I have made a chain on one side of the flower and I am showing you the chain on the other side. chain, first I took 3 pieces 2mm beads, then 14mm pearls. Again I took 3 pieces 2mm beads. This time I took 4 green color pearls and 3 white color pearls so that you don't have any difficulty. I am giving you the details. 1 green and then 1 white, then 1 green, then 1 white again. Like this, after keeping a total of 4 8mm green and 3 6mm white pearls, this time I added 10mm pearls. I will do it again in the same way. 1 green, then 1 white, then again 1 green, then 1 white again. In this way, total 4 green and 3 white pearls. I hope you can understand the way I am saying. If there is any difficulty, please comment. Let me know and I will reply and try to solve your problem. If you like the design, please comment and let us know how you like it. Like this necklace design, please subscribe to our jewel channel DiyArtiePie. For the chain, we have taken 6 pieces 5mm pearls. Then we have taken white color pearls, total 25 pieces. Thank you so much to watch this full video. Please like our video and do subscribe to your channel DiyArtiePie. I attached a lock for this necklace. Happy New Year. God bless you.